So we're here at Napa Valley. It's the best region for wine, and behind me one of the most famous wineries. So right now we are heading and try some reserve wine here. So let's go. It's our first, I mean it's my first experience with degustation of wine. So like let's go and check it out. So are you excited?
Yeah, we're waiting for our complimentary sparkling wine.
So maybe we invite someone with our like wine tasting.
So we have tasting for 4, but our friends are getting late, so we need to find 2 people to join us.
Cheers. Actually, it's not bad.
Yeah, it's
What's the process?
Yeah, so we're here in the Mondavi winery. It's they have a main location, but it's under construction. But here it's called Recntly. So we'll do the To Kalon Reserve wine tasting. So we got a card. As usual, we'll do some notes on the wines that we'll be trying. Yep.
So we have like 3 different wines.
4 wines.
4?
Yeah, different wines.
Okay.
Yeah, so we have some small snacks that we can add, and they have even 3-course dinner. So we will add some cheese, like cheddar plate cheese, and I think we'll add some fries for this one, just to balance our wines because it's reserved, so it's pretty heavy. And we didn't have much food before this, so we don't want to. Yeah, so our hotel is just 10 minutes walk away from here, but we still want to make it on our own food, you know, and not to swim the river. Yeah. Yeah, so this would be a similar like aged cheddar with the aged balsamic oil. It's a great palate change. So for us, we just came here before the wines. It's just something small to have all of our, you know, most receptors like ready for great wine.
This is 100% from our To Kalon vineyard, which you visited before. To Kalon vineyard is the #1 vineyard in the United States, and then this one has a 98% of Sauvignon Blanc, 2% of Semillon. French oak barrel dual fermentation, aged in French oak barrel about 9 months. Very nice, very soft. It also a lot of flavor. And then also you have got some melon flavor. Really nice of this one.
Okay, great.
So here's our first wine. It's a Blanc Reserve. So like it's 2019, and yeah, we should like smell it first. Look at color. Color is good. I mean, like, I think we should like spill this wine, but at my case, I drink because I love wine. It's like a lot of like flavors here at this wine, and like yeah, fruit flavors, and the color, like, you know, beautiful. Yeah, look, even the like this wine, like here you see like go down,
sugar.
yeah, some sugar. Yeah, it's good. The first wine we are tasting costs like $95 per bottle. So and here we have some list of paper with like name of the wines and this pen. So like if I like something, I can like check, oh, I love this one, and then like I can order like a bottle or like, you know, 2, 3. So yeah.
And by the way, for all the wines and tasting and experiences, they have retail price and club price. So we can sign up and become wine club members. I'm not sure how much it costs. Probably it makes sense if you live here somewhere around. It's actually very good.
What is this?
So this is 2017 Cabernet Sauvignon Reserve. It's To Kalon Vineyard. It's dry, it's fruity, and yeah, I mean it tastes really good. And this one goes for $270 per bottle, which is pretty good price.
Come with another one, and but this one is just like a temporary change for also the paper label, and then 2019 was really the complete label with an actual word and actual printer on the glass. And so this one 2018 actually one of the really good vintage, big fruit, big tannin. This one is much more elegant, the body, very gentle, you see.
Yeah.
And this one, when you taste it, this is really pushy, big and bold, so very loud. Well, everyone talk about in California, Napa has a really good cab. The boss, I mean, you can show the power, the personality, very tough. You can see this one.
Yeah, this
Right,
one is really good.
The one
yeah.
speak for itself, very intense tannins.
It almost smells like truffle. So yeah.
Yep, this one is definitely will go. It is turned 2019, so this one is the work printed on the the glass, and then this one has a different vintage with 2018. So that's why people talk about what California wine, especially Napa, is so amazing. But they're very different each vintage because we could not control the mother nature. Whenever the mother nature is, we take advantage with the sun,
you
making
can
different
control the
style.
sun, right?
So they got three came from same vineyard, almost the same block, but the year different. The year goes by, the body gets soft and then the tannin,
this is
body
very
there.
soft, yeah.
But this one, you can taste the young energy there. But they also have different appearance, different style, different character. So this one, because for the wine, this one we only blend them with Puerto Verdot only. This one has a 97.5% of Cabernet Sauvignon, 2.5% of Puerto Verdot inside. No Cab Franc. Well, why? Cab Franc usually make the wine keep the body a little bit soft because that year the cap already soft enough. It doesn't need to make the wine get softer. So check out this one, also good body, but with a little bit softer than the 2018.
I know. No, I mean, couldn't remember the name, and he called it Gino Max's place.
Right?
Yeah.
But it doesn't have kind of like
it has
there
more
with the,
than-
yeah, so the Puerto Verdot also did the job too. Give it a little bit more
And
flavor there.
it's a little bit more even accent. Yeah.
Yes, they do. They do the wine. This one.
Yeah, but still, it's younger.
Yeah,
I
you
can
can
feel it.
see
It's
have not
younger.
developed the structure
Yeah.
yet.
Yeah. But it's
Oh,
still,
still, this still need time to develop, but you can see the body is still having more body coming out.
Yeah, this one
texture.
is texture,
Yeah,
yeah.
they still this is very thin. You can feel the body, but it need time to bring out much more character. You just need to give them about 5 years. Their own personality will show
yeah,
up.
it's very good. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
So and here we got like cheddar cheese on a bread. It's like perfect pairing with like white wine. So let me try this one and let's see. Also on top we have like microgreens, apple and and bread. So I should first like get some bite. So good. So, and here we have like orange sauce with like red caviar. So it's perfect paired with these chips. So put it on top. Oh my gosh, it's so delicious. Yeah. French fries with red caviar and the sauce is perfect.
Any wine feels so much better after you open it up. So yeah, that's amazing. Really enjoyed our Arch and Tower wine tasting from Robert Mondavi winery. We even got some wine with us, and that was actually the first wine, which was just a complimentary wine that when they greet you. So yeah, and that was a sparkling wine, which is amazing. It's just like $35 per bottle, and it was very crispy and yummy, and just very refreshing to start the day. The tasting itself was amazing. We had an amazing sommelier, and she created a very great experience for us, telling a lot about the history of the winery and about the people of Napa and about connecting and feeling happy for sharing the wine and the joy of having wine. So we just enjoyed it. There are different options for wine tasting here. They are approximately like $100 and up for reserves and food pairing tastings, and you can always find the one for yourself. So, like, cheers! See you next time. Bye.